Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we will be doing some crafts together, so let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we are going to be doing a knotted pillow, and this one is the flamingo. Super cute, love her. So inside the box it says it contains 2 single sheet felts, 1 stuffing, 2 felt sheets, 11 felt stickers, 1 button, 2 wooden beads, 4 adhesive gems, 1 ball of yarn, 2 threads, 1 plastic needle. So we're going to open up the box and make sure everything is inside. So let's get started. Okay, so here's our packages. We are looking in the box. There is no instructions in there. It's totally empty. This is the stuffing. It is vacuum sealed, so hopefully it gets a little bit more poofier once we open it. And then in this bag, there is the felts and stuff. I am going to go through it just to double check and see if there's any instructions. And then I'll be right back. Okay, so in the kit we have, this is our flamingo. And it's 2 pieces of felt, same size, front and back. Here is the beak that we will be sewing onto our flamingo. We have our felt stickers, the design, the teardrop ones. Now I took out the other ones already. So we got pink, we got the white ones, we got a yellow, we got pink, and we got like the green. So we have all of those. We have the crown, and it too needs to be sewn. We have a package of 2 beads are in here, a button, and a little tiny plastic needle, and it's tiny. Then we have 4 adhesive gems. We have an eyelash right there. We have pink thread, black thread, and black wool. So that's everything in the package. Now on the back of the package is kind of sort of the instructions. They're not the greatest instructions. They're right here. So it shows you that the 2 pieces layer. It shows that you sew onto the beak. You sew the button on. And then you start tying, and then you stuff, and then at the end you stuff and sew close the beak. So that's how the instructions look. Pretty straightforward. So let's get started. The thing we're going to do is we're going to sew on the button. So we have our needle, we have our pink thread, and we're just going to sew on our pink button. We're just going to tie it at the back. Just like that. That's our eye there. We're just going to tie it. And there's our button on. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie the head some. So you're just going to take 2 of them and you're just going to tie. And tie. These 2. And I'm tying around where we're going to put the beak on, because we have to put the beak on half of one side and half of the other. So we're just tying it. Simple and easy. Okay. So now we have right here done. It's tied. We're going to do a couple more up at the top here because we want to get closer to where the beak needs to be. Okay, so that's all tied. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew the beak on right there. Just open up the pattern and lay down the beak, and what I'm going to do is at the top of the head I'm going to start the beak, and there already is holes in the beak, so we're going to start there. We're using our needle they gave us. like that. Okay, so this beak is attached to this side, just like that. So now on the other side, which is the back, we are going to attach the second beak, which is going to go on like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back up through to the top and through the hole like that. We're going to put this beak together and try to line them up. So they're lining them up here. Just like that. I'm going to go through here. And now I'm going to go back down through to the other side of the fabric and attach the beak on this side of the face. Pull that knot one out. There we go. And again, we're just going to weave up and down through the holes. Thread it. There we go. Okay, so we're going to go up in here. Down and up here. Down and up here. Okay, so far we've got the beak started. Now we're going to go up here. We're going to go back around the beak. I'm going to attach this beak to this side of the beak. It's a little complicated until you get going. Just like that. And we're going to weave around the beak. We have to be lined up. There. There it is there. Okay, I need to rethread that needle. The needle's a little bit hard to work with. It's kind of small and bendy. Now before I close the beak completely, I am going to stuff the beak. So we're coming to where we're going to stuff it. Okay, so we have an opening right here, and we're going to stuff the beak right now. So let me open up the stuffing and I'll be right back. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.